Hey guys, what's up? Today I will be doing or showing you guys my first wheel swap on a GTR R32. We took the wheels off of this Bluebird here and I put the regular wheels that were on the Skyline on here, and it doesn't look too terrible. There's that. And we took the real riders off there and we put them on the GTR. And I think it looks pretty neat. Very first wheel swap. You got your screws at the bottom. Rolls and everything. Awesome. And I just picked these up the other day. We got the Mercedes-Benz. They were sitting in my local Walmart for quite a while, and looking for the Audi R8, and the Porsche 993. I really like this one. Not bad, not bad. And there's the rest of the collection. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.